Hello and welcome to World Book Day Assembly for 2021. Every pupil in this school will benefit from reading. It provides knowledge, inspiration and develops things like spelling, punctuation and grammar. But more than that, reading is power. World Book Day is a day that we set aside every year to celebrate reading and books, but here at Chesterton we celebrate it all week long. More than 100 countries around the world mark World Book Day, and this year in the UK it is celebrated on Thursday the 4th of March. This is the 24th time it has been held. One of the main aims of World Book Day is to give every young person in the UK and Ireland a free book. World Book Day distribute over 14 million book tokens worth £1 for young people to swap for a book specifically written for World Book Day, or to use it to get £1 off another book. Most bookshops around the UK and Ireland accept these tokens. Here's a little video explaining World Book Day. World Book Day always has a theme, and for this year it is that reading is power. And what does reading is power mean to you? The manifesto gives us 4 areas: growth, choice, power and knowledge. And the manifesto was created for young readers by young readers. More importantly than all of this, we encourage reading for fun. There are lots of things for you to be getting involved with World Book Day this year. Some of the competitions that World Book Day are launching are on your screen now, and there are lots of amazing prizes for you to win. So there are weaver themed hampers, a signed copy of some of the books that are available, and cash prizes. For more information, you need to go to World Book Day website and all your entry details are on there. Now, it wouldn't be World Book Day if CCSC weren't getting involved, and there are loads of ways that you can celebrate World Book Day at school this year. As always, there's a form group quiz. Dawn's going to email out the quiz to your form tutors. You'll complete this as a form group and send your answers to Dawny. Winners will receive prizes. There's an individual quiz. This will be available on your Teams group. It will be in the form of an assignment, so you'll just fill it in online and your scores will come back to us. There's also an opening line quiz. So some of the most famous children books are going to be listed and you need to identify them from their opening line. Also on Teams, there's an emoji book title competition where you need to guess the book title from the emojis used. Again, this will be done on Teams. Miss Durrant has organised a Taboo Quiz where she's ask members of staff to summarise and describe a book from their childhood, and this will be going on Insta stories for you to join in on social media. In your English lessons, we're going to give you time and the opportunity to recommend a read to somebody else in school. This can be a friend, a teacher, anybody at all within school who you want to share one of your favourite books with. And then also, Scholastic have organised a live events timetable, and all the information for the writing workshops will go out to form tutors for them to share. Your form tutors will have all the information, so make sure you are joining in form time and checking with them about deadlines and prizes. But a very quick overview is on your screen now. The deadline for the majority of the quizzes is Monday the 8th of March, so you have an entire week to get all of your quizzes completed and submitted. The only one really that's a little bit different is Taboo, because that will be on Instagram stories throughout the day on Thursday. A little bit different this year. Not only have we got World Book Day week this week, but next week, starting Monday the 8th of March, we have Reading Week. I'm going to hand you over to Miss Durrant, who's going to tell us all about that.
Hello. Well, Reading Week is a whole school focus. This is where every subject will be focusing on reading and encouraging you to read in lessons. A lot of people think that reading is just in English, that it's just an English thing, but you do need your reading for every single subject. So how can we support you with regards to reading? Well, the big thing that we're all dead excited about is the Soraa App. You might have noticed it on your iPads already, but the Soraa App is an online reading platform. So you'll be able to access thousands of titles via your iPad. The idea of Soraa is that it empowers students to discover and enjoy ebooks and audiobooks. And especially at the moment in these uncertain times, and while the library's closed, it creates this whole new online library that we're all very excited about. These are some of the benefits of an ebook library. It's convenient, you can carry it around in your pocket, you don't have to worry about filling your bag full of bulky books. You've got everything that you need right there. The other ace thing about Soraa is that you can adapt the audiobook speeds or font sizes or background colour of your books depending on what you need. So if you have dyslexia, you'll still be able to access reading. There are loads of ebooks available. There are more than 2,000 titles and 200 audiobooks, which is amazing, and they're all tailored to secondary level. You can always as well request books from Dorney if a title that you would like to read isn't available. These are some of the featured titles that you can get. So obviously Harry Potter, number one. Things like The Book Thief, things like The Hobbit, Wonder, loads of exciting titles that you can access from your iPad. Also, it's International Women's Day on the 8th of March, and they have a whole plethora of titles based on women and with female authors if you're interested in that. There's also a section on well-being as well, which is super important at the moment. So if you are struggling with lockdown, if you're finding it difficult, there's loads of text, loads of titles that are there to support you and help you. And finally, this is something that we're really excited about. It is your reading passports. So as you can see, you get a reading passport, everyone will have one. And on each passport there is your subjects. Every subject will recommend a series of titles that you can read. Once you've read the books and written a review on Soraa, you'll get a stamp. Once your passport is completed, you then get put into a prize draw.
Thank you very much for your time today, guys. On screen, just as a reminder of the World Book Day activities that are going on in school, whether it's virtually or you're actually back with us. Have a look at those deadlines and keep an eye out for the Instagram stories on World Book Day, which is Thursday the 4th of March. Thank you very much. Bye.